Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You will not burn insulation. Stop and prioritize safety. Burning releases toxic fumes and often violates regulations, so first confirm local rules and permits. Once done, equip gloves, goggles, and a respirator rated for organic vapors, and work outdoors with good ventilation. Make sure to cordon the area to prevent bystanders. Instead of ignition, prepare to use mechanical or professional services to recover copper. These methods protect your health and avoid legal trouble. You want efficient copper recovery without chemical or fire hazards. Choose the right mechanical approach for the wire gauge and volume. Once done, start by cutting long runs into short lengths for feeding into a hand or motorized stripper, or take bulk loads to a scrap prep service that can handle insulation removal. Make sure to keep copper dry and free of contaminants to maximize value. If unsure which tool suits your wire, consult a recycler or a hardware specialist. Complete the process by delivering recovered copper to a licensed scrapyard or recycler. This secures payment and ensures lawful handling of waste insulation. Once done, weigh and document the load so you have proper receipts. If a piece of insulation melts, chars, or sticks to the copper, do not attempt to burn it off. Stop immediately and either use a mechanical cleaning method or hire a professional to avoid toxic exposure. Make sure to follow local disposal rules for removing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.